To install two Messenger apps on one Android phone, you need to understand the concept of parallel or duplicate apps. Many Android phones come with a built-in feature to create parallel apps. But if your phone does not have this feature, you can use third-party apps to achieve the same result. First, check if your phone has a built-in feature to create parallel apps. For example, some phones have a feature called Dual Messenger or Dual App, which allows you to create a duplicate of a Messenger app. To access this feature, go to your phone's settings menu. Then look for the Dual Messenger or Dual App option. If your phone does not have this feature, you can use third-party apps such as Parallel Space or App Cloner. These apps allow you to create a duplicate of any app, including Messenger apps. To use these apps, download and install them from the Google Play Store. Then follow the in-app instructions to create a duplicate of the Messenger app you want to use. Once you have created a duplicate of the Messenger app, you can use it independently of the original app. This means you can log in to a different account on the duplicate app and use it to send and receive messages separately from the original app. When using parallel or duplicate apps, it is essential to note that some apps may not function correctly when duplicated. This is because some apps use unique identifiers or certificates that cannot be duplicated. In such cases, you may experience errors or crashes when using the duplicate app. To avoid these issues, make sure to test the duplicate app thoroughly before using it extensively. Also, be aware that using parallel or duplicate apps may consume more battery power and storage space on your phone, as you are essentially running two instances of the same app. In conclusion, installing two Messenger apps on one Android phone is possible using built-in features or third-party apps. By following these steps and being aware of the potential limitations, you can enjoy the convenience of using multiple accounts on the same Messenger app on your Android phone.